What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of spending your weekends vacuuming floors, dealing with pet hair everywhere, or constantly dragging a heavy vacuum around your house, this video is exactly for you. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026, ranked from 1 to 5, based on performance, features, and value for money. We'll go through each robot vacuum, covering features, real-world performance, pros and cons, so by the end, you'll know exactly which one is worth buying. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2, Best All-Round Value Pick. Product Overview. First up, we have the Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2, one of the best all-round robot vacuums in 2026. It features 6,000 Pascal suction, LiDAR smart navigation, obstacle avoidance, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a self-emptying base that holds up to 90 days of dust. This model is extremely practical for everyday use. Thanks to LiDAR mapping, it cleans in organized paths instead of random movement, covering your home efficiently. It easily handles dust, crumbs, and pet hair, making it perfect for most households. The self-emptying dock is a huge convenience, reducing maintenance almost to zero. Pros: excellent price-to-performance ratio, LiDAR smart mapping, self-emptying dustbin up to 90 days, strong everyday cleaning performance, great app control. This is the best overall robot vacuum for most people in 2026 due to its balance of price, intelligence, and automation. Number 2. Dreame L40S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, White Edition. Next, we have the premium Dreame L40S Ultra White, featuring a massive 19,000 Pascal suction, auto-empty system, Mop Self-Cleaning, and advanced detangling brush technology. This is a true high-end cleaning machine. It handles deep carpet dirt, pet hair, and heavy debris with ease. The auto-cleaning mop system and auto-empty dock make it almost fully hands-free. It also includes extending brushes and advanced obstacle climbing ability. Pros: extremely powerful 19,000 Pascal suction, auto-empty station, self-cleaning mop system, advanced navigation and obstacle handling, great for large homes and pets. Perfect for users who want a fully automated premium cleaning experience. Number 3. Dreame L40S Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, Black Edition. Here we have the same L40S Ultra model, but in black finish. It includes all flagship features like 19,000 Pascal suction, auto-empty, Mop Self-Cleaning, and smart navigation. Performance is identical to the white version. The only difference is design preference and aesthetics. It remains one of the most powerful robot vacuums available in 2026. Pros: same flagship performance, premium black design, fully automated cleaning system, excellent for large homes, and strong pet hair and carpet cleaning. Choose this if you prefer the black design or find a better deal. Performance remains top tier. Number 4. Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo Slim Smart Cleaner. Here we have a slim 2-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo with app control, Alexa voice support, strong suction, scheduling, and self-charging. The ultra-slim design allows it to clean under furniture easily. It performs well on hard floors and light carpets, but lacks advanced mapping and smart navigation. Pros: slim design fits under furniture, app and Alexa voice control, good battery life, easy scheduling, affordable mid-range option. A solid mid-range choice for users who want smart features at a lower price. Number 5. Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo Budget Entry Model. Here we have a budget-friendly robot vacuum and mop with Wi-Fi and app control, water tank, strong suction, scheduling, and self-charging. This is a basic entry-level robot vacuum. It handles dust and pet hair on hard floors fairly well, but uses simple navigation without smart mapping. Mopping is light and suitable only for maintenance cleaning. Pros: very affordable, 2-in-1 vacuum and mop, app control and scheduling, good for hard floors, self-charging feature. Best for beginners who want a cheap and simple robot vacuum for light daily cleaning. That's the top 5 best robot vacuums of 2026, ranked from 1 to 5. If you want the best overall value, go for the Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2. If you want premium hands-free cleaning, the L40S series is unbeatable. And if you're on a tight budget, the entry-level models still get the job done for basic cleaning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.